In this video, you are going to learn how to set up GA4 view list item event for Shopify website and using Google Tag Manager.
Hi, this is Nasim from nasimraja.com and I am a top rated freelancer on Upwork. If you need my assist, feel free to contact me. Details on this video description. Let's back to this topic.
So what is view list item event? It's my demo product and you can see the product in the homepage, but your website will be different. Maybe your website have a button which is shop or catalog, etc. For example, my website say it's a catalog and here all the product are displaying. Okay, so this is actually my view item list event. So sometime this event actually important for store owner because few visitor may see all product but didn't purchase or order any product yet. So that's why this event sometimes important to make remarketing campaign. So Google Analytics has a standard event. So if I want to search GA4 standard event, then you can see here is the option which is view item list. It's actually for online sales. It's related to e-commerce. So this event we are going to set up. Okay, and you can see here is no too many required parameter. We just need to event here. Okay, so let's set up it. So first of all, we are using Google Tag Manager and our website and our analytics is connected through Google Tag Manager. Just simply we have copy and paste this code under our website head tag. So now our website and our analytics is ready and you can see we have already completed few event. So I recommend you to visit my YouTube channel and watch the previous episode. Okay, so it's up to you. And let's start. Go to preview and input your website URL and hit the connect. And you can see this website is now connected with Google Tag Manager. And we need to click on this button which is catalog. And you can see if I go back on this tag assistant, view item list event is here with all the product information. So we are not sending product information for this event. Why? Because this is the all product view. So just you can see all the product view. So we already know what type of product are available in our country, your shop. Okay, so that's why we are not sending any specific product information. We just only need to send this event to our analytics. Okay, so let's go to new because you already know if I want to send any event to analytics, we just configure the tag. So that's why it's a tag configuration and we need to select Google Analytics and then GA4 event. And this is the section we need to input the measurement ID. So where will be our measurement ID? Go to analytics, go to admin and then data collections, data streams, hit on the website URL and this is our measurement ID. simply copy it and go to tag manager and paste here. And you can see Google tag found in this container. So that's mean this is the accurate measurement ID. And this is the event name. Event name always I recommend you to choose from the documentation. Just copy this event name and paste it here. This documentation already required few parameter, but I don't suggest to send the parameter with this event. So that's why I just want to skip that. Okay. So now let's make a trigger. So trigger, hit the plus and hit the trigger configuration and custom event. So this is our custom event name, and here this event for trigger you should follow to copy from your data layer current preview mode. Okay, because sometime your this event name can be different. It's no problem, just copy it from here and paste it here. So this is ready, and now save it. And just simply I just want to keep same name for trigger name and then save it. And you can see our tag is ready. And now let's save it. The tag, it's actually the tag name. So I always do prefer use this format to give the name of tag and then save it. And you can see for this way it's look professional. So I can easily understand what the event it is. And when your tag is ready, always I do recommend to go to preview again and test the event that you set up. For our case, go to preview and you can see tag manager is connected, and then hit the catalog. It's a collection all, and then go back tag assistant, and you can see this is the view item list event and our tag is fired. So for being very specific, hit this event name and you can see it's fired only on the time. And let's go to Google Analytics and go to report and go to real time. And you can see view item list event is here. So that's mean our setup is perfect and it's working perfectly. And when you have done, you need to submit and publish this current version. Then it will start working and sending data to your analytics. That's all for this episode. If you don't understand anything, please do comment or you can contact me. I will help you.
That's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel because it will help me to continue working on this channel. My name is Nasim and I will see you on the next video. Till then, bye. Have a good day.